Hey guys, this is Taylor here with TravelPic.com. Just going to be doing a quick tutorial on how to use the night presets. Yeah, follow along. Here we go. So pretty much you have you're going to have some basic presets that you can add to your photo to give it kind of, a look you want without doing much work. If you're looking for a quick edit, I mean, you got a bunch to choose from, as you can see. But yeah, so technically here's how the presets work. You have a 4-step process. You technically don't need to use all 4 steps. You can use, honestly, as many as you want to get the look that you want. And if as you're going through these presets, if you click on one and you don't like it, just Commands do that, and restart. Try something else. So let me go ahead and show you a little bit how these presets work. You're going to start off with a base. You have your brightness. You can have like a very dramatic start. You can have where the brightness is down if you overexposed a night photo, which I don't know how you would, honestly. You have a clean start, a soft start, kind of soften up the image, and a vibrant start. So just kind of like your basic start to the photo. And this is almost kind of most of the editing that adds to it, and then you kind of just fine tune it from here. So I'm gonna let's do bright dramatic start, and as you can see the saturation is up a little bit. I'm gonna bring this down just for my likings. Alright, now you move on to color. So pretty much if you shot in the wrong white balance, just click on this bad boy and it will set you straight, which is, it's actually the exact same as that photo was. So that's great. If you want to add saturation, boom, one click, done. If you want to decrease that, there you go. Alright, also you have your 3 different colors that people like to see in the stars that you can add more of. You got blue, orange, and purple, which are kind of the colors that people technically see or like to think they see. And after you're done with color, we move on to step 3, which is exposure. So if you don't like the way this looks, you can always brighten the stars only, which nope. You can brighten up the whole photo, which that did a little bit, but not much. You can really add to it, which I like it before. You can see the detail. It's it's nighttime. It's still a little dark. You don't want to go too bright, in my opinion, but you can honestly do whatever you feel. And so yeah, you have also decreasing the brightness and decreasing the shadows if you want, a little darker shadows. And same with the increasing the shadows. And you can also increase the whites, which will help up here in the stars. And also increasing the whites and bringing down the blacks is also a way to add contrast without actually using the contrast bar. It also kind of brings up some color too without giving it the unnatural saturation feel. So after you get your exposure down, you kind of just refine it. If you feel you need to, you can bring the details down, or details enhanced. You can bring the details down. You can flatten the image, give it this gray looking feel, increase the contrast. Noise reduction always is a one that people love to use with these night photos. And usually with all my photos I like to always remove chromatic aberration, which is going to be that purple and green that you guys will see along the edges of borders here, and that will get rid of it. I didn't know that till a few years ago, and I was so stoked to learn that was just a button you can click on. Oh, alright, well, thanks for joining. Have a good one, guys.